Dear learners of Standard 9, welcome back to my today's online class. Hopefully you all are doing great at home. Previous day, I had discussed the mathematics in two ways. How will you determine the difference of time between two countries, and also how will you calculate the longitude of two different places. Hope you have understood how to do the mathematics. Today I will discuss the another new thing, that is what follow. It's our earth and two persons on the earth's surface. These two persons stands opposite to any point existing on the earth's surface. So our today's topic is antipode. That means a point that stands opposite to any points existing on the earth's surface is called the antipode of that point. That means this will be the antipode of this point, or this point will be the antipode of that point. So a point that stands opposite to any point existing on the earth's surface is called the antipode of that point. And the antipodes exist entirely to the opposite of one another. So in order to decide antipode, one imaginary line from any point of the surface through the earth's center is drawn towards the side contrary to the earth. That can be to divide the northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere, or to divide the eastern part or western part. So by two things, that is latitudes and longitudes, through these two media we can define or we can detect the antipode of two regions of the earth's surface. So follow, before going to detect the antipode, just give a look on the latitudes and longitudes again together. It's our globe or our world, and earth is rotating always from the west to east. This is 90 degree north, that is north pole, and 90 degree south, it is the south pole, if we divide using the equator. So equator, the latitudes always is denoted by 0 degree, and some important imaginary lines here also in the northern hemisphere and also the southern hemisphere. Here focused on the Tropic of Cancer, its latitude measurement 23.5 north, and which is Tropic of Capricorn, which is in the southern hemisphere, its latitude 20.5 degree south. This is also well known to you. And this portion, the prime meridian, which makes the earth surface into two parts, also eastern part and western part, it is the prime meridian, and its longitudes is 0 degree. So here just you have to focus this equator, it's the latitudinal part, Tropic of Cancer latitude, Tropic of Capricorn latitude, here also Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. So these are the latitudes, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, and prime meridian divides the eastern part and western part, and this is 0 degree longitude. And depend on this 0 degree longitude, these longitudes has been drawn. So each and every 30 degree intervals from prime meridian follow eastern part, 30 degree eastern longitude, then 60 degree, here the 90 degree. And also if we move towards the western side from the prime meridian, what will you get? The longitude 30 degree west, 60 degree west, 90 degree west. So each and every 30 degree intervals. So here always the 90 degree. Okay, so this covers the one portion, and the back portion also up to 90 degree. This 0 degree prime meridian, it is also 90 degree. So 90 degree plus 90 degree, 180 degree western part, and 180 degree the eastern part. So complete the longitude measurement is 180 here, western part and eastern part, this is 360 degree. So the 0 degree prime meridian, 0 degree longitude, this is the prime meridian, and 180 degree longitude is not the prime meridian, that is the international dateline. So this latitude and longitude together enable the fixing of position of the earth surface. Now we will know the antipode. So follow the straight line. I told you the imaginary line from one point to another point through the earth center is drawn towards the side contrary to the earth. So in geography, the antipode of a place is the point found on the surface of the earth which is diametrically opposite to it. A pair of antipodes are two points that are opposite to one another on the surface of the earth and are connected by a straight line that runs through the earth center. So this earth center, it is one point here and another point is here. So one point will be the antipode of the opposite point. So if a latitude, if we can say it's the latitude of any region is known, then its antipode latitude is also well known. That is, if any place located in the northern hemisphere, that is, the regions will be situated at the north and at the south of the equator. So both the regions will be in both the hemisphere. So I want to give you one example. If one region's latitude stands at 70 degree north, its antipode's latitude will be at 70 degrees south. But what happened in case of the longitude? Follow. The antipode of any place on earth is distant from it by 180 degree of longitude and as many degrees to the north of the equator as the original is to the south. So in other words, the latitudes are numerically equal, but one is north and another is the south. That means I told you, if one region's latitude stands at 70 degree north, its antipode's latitude will be at 70 degree south. But in longitudes, if a meridian of any region is added to its antipode's meridian or longitudes, the summation will be 180 degree. So if the meridian of one region is deducted, its antipode's meridian is got. So to find out the longitudinal antipode, you must have to deduct the longitude from 100, from the summation of 180 degree. That means if the meridian of one region stands at the east, its antipode's meridian will be at the west. So for example, the antipode of Dhaka is situated over the Pacific Ocean near Chile within the territory of South America. So about Chile follow. This Chile, officially called the Republic of Chile, and is the country on the southwestern side of South America. This Chile borders, if you look at the map, you can see Chile borders Peru to the north, Peru is to the north, Bolivia to the northeastern part, Argentina to the east, and the Drake Passage in the far south. So it is over 4,630 kilometers north to south, but only 430 kilometers at its widest point east to west. So normally, which city is the antipode of Dhaka? So the antipode of Dhaka is situated over the Pacific Ocean near Chile within the territory of South America. And the antipodal city to Dhaka is San Juan. This means that among all the populated locations in the world, the furthest city from Dhaka is San Juan. And the distance from Dhaka to San Juan is about 18,000 kilometers. A direct flight would take around 20 hours, but there are not commercial routes between these cities. So follow here. If we see the map from here up to Chile. So this is the border line of Chile, and Chile is the antipode of our country, which passes through the equator, and one is situated in the eastern hemisphere, another is the western hemisphere. So how to find out an antipode? Example, when locating your antipode, recognize that you will be flipping hemisphere in two directions. If you are in the northern hemisphere, then your antipode will be in the southern hemisphere. It is the latitude. And if you are in the western hemisphere, then your antipode will be in the eastern hemisphere. It depends on the longitude. So here are some steps to manually compute an antipode. That is, take the latitude of the place for which you want to find the antipode and convert it to the opposite hemisphere. So we will use x as an example, and x is located at approximately 35 degree north latitude. So the antipode of x, that means according to latitude, the antipode of x will be at 35 degree south latitude. And second one, take a longitude of the place for which you want to find the antipode and subtract the longitude from 180 degree. So antipodes are always 180 degree of longitude way. So x is located at approximately 40 degree east longitude. So we take 140 degree minus 40, 180 minus 40. So we will get 140 degree to the west longitude. So to find out the longitude, that means antipode, antipode depends on longitude, you must have to subtract the longitude from 180 degree, and the time will differ in between both the regions by 12 hours. So where exactly are the antipodes of China? So if we use as the example of to find out the antipode of China, well, let's compute the antipode of Beijing first. It's the capital of China. So Beijing is located at approximately 40 degree north and 170 degree east. So this north is the latitude and 117 east, this is the longitude. So with step 1 ahead, we are looking for an antipode that is 40 degree south. So converting from northern hemisphere to southern hemisphere only. But for step 2, we want to move from eastern hemisphere to the western hemisphere and subtract this 170 degree east from 180, and the result is 63 degree west. So therefore the antipode of Beijing is located in South America near Bahia Blanca, so Argentina. So this is the, in this way you can calculate the antipode of any regions. So today up to this, dear learners, thank you all. Stay safe and stay blessed at your home.